Hello friends, my name is Icholia and today I'm going to show you how I edit my YouTube videos. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any posting when I post. Okay, so let's start. The first thing I always do is first to bring my trailer, but before I do that, as you can see here, I have already done what? I have already imported my videos. To import your videos, what you do, you come here, you click here to file, then you go to import, then media, then you select your media. Okay, so let's begin doing this video. So this is how I edit my video. I start with my trailer, so I'll drag my trailer here first until there, then I click on match. Then we are going to enlarge this one a bit so that we can view it properly. So this is my trailer. Let's play and see. Alright, that's how my trailer looks like. So first what I'll do, I'll have to bring until where I think it is okay. Yes, until there when it is beginning. Then I'll have to trim it. After trimming, I'll click this one, I delete, then I push this one, then again I'll drag like this. Yes, until here, then I also trim, then I delete it. Okay. That's the first one. The second thing, I have also to bring this video here. This is just emphasis to my subscribers, okay, so that they can subscribe to my channel. So I'll drag also this one when it begins from, let's say, here. I'll also trim, delete this part, also click here, I delete it, then also I'll drag this one until when I feel like it's okay. Maybe we leave maybe there. I think that one is okay. I think here is okay. Then I'll trim it, delete this part. Okay, now my trailer is set. My trailer is set. Okay, boom, that's how it is. Now I need now to drag what? My videos now. Okay, so I'll drag this one as my first video, then I'll bring it like this. I'm not going to take the whole video. There is a part where yes, from here, when it start from here, now I delete this part, also that one. Then again I have to look until when I see here, then also I'll click on trim, I delete this other part, then I drag also the next video. This is my next video. Okay, so this one also we do the same. Let's say from here, then we trim, we delete this part from the beginning. Yes, now from this part like this, maybe until here, let's say here, then also I trim, I delete this other part like so. Then the next one is this one. Yes, now we are dragging this one down here. There is this part when this guy is, yes, this part here, from this part where is putting that meat. Then also we need to cut here, delete this part, delete one also, then we continue with it until here again. Okay, until they say here, also we trim, then we delete. Now once we have already arranged our videos like that, or our videos or our film, then the next thing I need to do is to thank what? The subscribers. Okay, I'll click here, drag that one there, then I'll bring this one here also. No, not this one, not that one, it's this one, sorry for that, it's this one. Yes, thanks for watching. Okay, that one. Now let me expand it a bit so that you can see. Let's say there. Now we need to bring what we call let's say titles. Okay, so I'll bring this title sorry, let's say we use which one? Let's use this one. Then we'll bring here, click it there. So let's see how it is going to play. Not that one, not that one actually, sorry. It is the lower that one. Let me look for it, then I'll let's try this one. Yes, this is what I want. So what we do, we double click on this one, and then we click on the big one, this big one. So we say the best chef, then we come to the downer part, the best chef in town. Okay, like so. Then at times we can bring this one down here. Let's say we can do that like that. Then also I drag this one. Yeah, we can even change the font, I mean the color. Okay, like that, or we do it like this. Any color you think it's okay with you, you can put it like that. Select also like that, then you say okay. Then we need to reduce it. It doesn't have to be very big, but just something small. Then let's play and see. Yes, like that. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is to put what we call transition. Okay, so I'll click here on transition, then I'll use this one, the first one. But as you can see, let's play and see, it is big. So what I normally do, I click here, then I go to duration, then I reduce the duration. $15 is okay. Then again, we need also to put a transition here, so let's use a different transition. Okay, let me use this one. I drag it here in the middle, right click it, duration. From duration we reduce it until when it is 15, like so. Okay, we have another transition here. We need another transition here, so let's put a different one. Let's put this dissolve. Let's put it there, then I right click, duration, reduce it until when it is 15, like so. Now we have another one here and here, and then we can produce our video now. Okay, now let's use a different one. You can't use everything, you use the one you think it is good with you. As for me, I always like maybe this one, or this one. Okay, so let me dissolve again. Let me use dissolve again. I right click, duration, I make it 15 as usual, like that. Then also here, maybe this one we can put something different today. Let me look for something, then I'll tell you which one is that. Yes, let me put this one, the fisheye, put it here, and then I'll right click on it, duration, I'll make it 15. Like so. Now let's try to play our movie and then see how it is. Okay, in fact this one doesn't look very well, so let's also do dissolve. Let's do dissolve, right click, like so. Okay, right, let's preview. Yes, that is perfect. The best chef in town. like that. And then there is one thing I want to put. Let's come to this one. I want to put this thing. I want again to tell my subscribers to do what? To subscribe. Okay, so I double click on this, then let's bring this one down here, and we bring also this one down like that, and we bring also this one down here like so. Then maybe we can reduce it, and also this text, we can still reduce this text. That one is still big. Let's, yes, like that. Then we can drag it here. Okay, alright, let me double click on this one, then I'll type it text skill. Text skill like that, and then this one I'll type this one subscribe. Okay, like so. Good. And then we reduce it. We don't want it to be very long. Reduce it like this. Alright, let's preview and see. Okay, you see that? It dissolves. Wait. And then you will see again our subscribe. Okay, subscribe like that. But I can see this part, because this is the focus. I think maybe we can bring it to the end here. I can maybe drag this up to here so that we can see the focus like so, and then this one, bring it down like that. Yes, let's preview and see. Good. Okay, I think that is okay. Now the next step, what we need to do is now to bring some audio or some music. So I'm going to use this music, and then I'm going to select all of this, then I'll drag it down so that they can match with the music. So let's play and see. Okay, the music is too loud. Good. Now we need to drag this one until somewhere here, this here, like that. Then I'll delete this other part to disappear, and then this one, you see this white part, so I'll have to bring it down like this. Like so. Now after this, the next thing I have to do is now to produce my video. So I'll click here, then I say okay. Then the next thing is to export. Okay, wait and see, our video is now being exported. Okay, usually it depends with the CPU. Okay, it depends with the CPU. If you have the higher CPU, the speed will be high. Okay, or the speed will be fast. Okay, alright, it's almost finishing. Now we are finished. Okay, then we close it. Then I have to close this one, then I'll have to come and save my project. Then I'll save this one as video tutorial, like that. Then I save it. okay.